Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add sound to print screen screenshot in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand app events. Click and expand schemes. Click and expand apps. Click and expand .default. Right-click New, Key. Type snapshot, S and S are capital letters. Close and exit registry editor. Type sounds in Windows search bar. Click Change System Sounds. Select Snapshot. Select any sound. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.